So a little while ago in my channel progress update, I mentioned 3dpassion.com, but today I'm going to go more into detail on what that is and my thoughts on it. Let's jump into the video. So here we are on 3dpassion.com, and it's a super new website, so we're on the beta version right now. It's just listing how to report bugs and the known bugs that are there. So hit OK. And we're immediately met with this home screen. So there's a few different things that this website is for. They've got a CNC prototyping. I think they sell filament and some hotbed 3D printer parts, a multimeter, which seems kind of random, but you know, it's okay. But the main thing that I'm talking about today is the models marketplace. So here, the idea of this website is it's really based around having high quality, intricate models that you can pay a low price for. So, do I think this is going to be the next Thingiverse? Well, no. Do I think it's going to be the next My Mini Factory? No, I think that this is something new where you can get a really high quality, intricately designed piece that you pay for. So you can immediately see, we've got some of my designs here. I think I'm one of 3 or 4 creators on the website right now. So you're not going to see a bunch of free, low quality models where you can't get in contact with the creator, or they don't fit together, or no one's actually printed them for real. You're going to get some better quality here. So you can see we got a drone, this gun, some really cool stuff. I think at the moment there's a total of 20 3D models on this website, which is kind of why I'm making this video on it. I really want you guys who have some modeling skills to get over here and start posting some designs. You can see you can make a little bit of money. I priced all of mine quite low based on complexity. I think the most expensive one is my Big Sable Lighthouse, because that's a super intricate model and I put a ton of work into it. But you see, I think my wall mount is $4, my skull is free. So I really want you guys to get over here and check it out. And if you're a creator, definitely post some models on here. And if you're a consumer, maybe you have a 3D printer but not many design skills, this would be a really cool place to come for some high quality printing projects. Or maybe you know someone with a 3D printer and you're looking for a kind of unique Christmas gift to get them. This would be kind of cool. Maybe they don't want to spend money on models themselves, but they have a ton of fun printing this. And the nice thing is, once you buy these, you can get them forever. Print them as many times as you want. One thing that I really like about this website from a creator's perspective is they have very clearly laid out licensing. So I have mine as Creative Commons Attribution, Non-Commercial, Share Alike, which means that it's out there in the common space, but if anybody makes a derivative of it or remixes it, they have to attribute me. If they use it in something, they have to credit me, and it's not for commercial use, which I really like that protection for my models as a creator, rather than some of the loosely defined licensing on some of these other websites. And again, I'm not saying that this should replace My Mini Factory or Thingiverse. I think those are great websites. I just think that this is something of higher quality. And they also have these other options here. You can get like laser designs. I haven't really looked into that too much, but you know, maybe it'll grow into something bigger. So I've been in contact with the creator of this. He's a guy named Vlad, super nice guy, very helpful. He helped me fix some of the bugs there. I'm gonna link his channel up in a card. Definitely go check that out, subscribe to him. He's a really great guy and he's doing some really great stuff for the community. And I think if you're looking for some really high quality models, definitely come here and check it out and see what you think. See you guys next time. Bye.